Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. I'm your host Eva. I'm from Gent Fence. We specialize in fence product nearly 30 years. Our main product have temporary fence, high secret fence, chain link fence, crowd control barriers, and the triangle bending fence. Okay, today let me introduce our popular product, temporary fence. The temporary fence mainly include three types of. Like this is the Australia type of temporary fence and the chain link temporary fence. Also have Canada type temporary fence. Okay, the first let's see, the first sample is Australia temporary fence. We can see the fence includes the frame pipe and the inner mesh and the feet. And we can see there is a detail about in the frame tube. The two sides we have flattened. It will reduce more space and we can loading more in container. Okay, we can see the welded mesh. The weld diameter normally is 3 mm or 4 mm, and the mesh size normally is 50 by 100 mm. The frame tube we can see is round pipe. The size normally is 32 mm, also can 48 mm or 60 mm. But the most popular size is the 32 mm because it's just used as a temporary fence. And after we finish this construction, we will move it to another side. So the weight is more important. So the size is 32 mm. It will more lighter. Okay, we can see the feet like this. We have two kinds of feet. One is like this. This is flow molding, like this. We can see there are two holes in the feet. It will like this fit the frame tube. And we have more like this. We have like this. This can fit 4 frame tube, and it usually used in the corner. It can turn any degree. Okay, like this. We can see this is the height of the frame tube. The height of the feet is more shorter than like this. We can see. Okay. And the color we have, like this yellow and like this orange. And we can see there is a hole in the feet, and it will fill in the cement and to we can fill in the cement, and it will more stable to fit the temporary fence. The color we also have like this red. Like this, we can see this side is no holes, and it has a hole in the top, like this. This is not filling the cement. It it need filling the water from there, and when we need the move the temporary fence, we can pull out the water from there, and we have a cap like on this. The another feat is like this. Injection molding, we can see this the bottom is opening, and this also need filling the cement. And the color we have like this green and this orange. Okay, then let me simply introduce the production process of this temporary fence. We can see firstly, we purchase the raw material, the wire mesh, and then we will welded the wire mesh like this, and the tube, and we cut the pipe to our need size, and then the two sides will need flatten. Then welded the inner mesh ends with the frame tube together. About the feet, first we make the shell. About the feet, firstly we make the empty plastic feet, and then filling the cement into it. And about the packing about it, the fence panel normally packing in bolt, and the feet normally in pallet. Okay, we just introduce the packing, and the size of the temporary fence normally is, the height normally is 2.1 millimeters, and the length normally is 2.4 millimeters. And the surface treatment about it, we normally have two kinds of. One is zinc spray after galvanized wire or pipe, and another is PVC coated after galvanized wire or pipe. About the zinc spray, we have two types. One is normally galvanized. The zinc content normally is 40 to 50 gram per kilometers, and another is high zinc content. It normally is 200 gram per kilometers. And about the feet, we have like this. We have these two. It's blow molding and like this injection molding. And when they filling the cement, and the blow molding filling the cement normally is 27 or 28 kilograms, and this injection molding, it filling the cement normally is 30 kilograms. And we also have like this steel base. The size normally is 600 by 100 millimeters, and the thickness normally is 5 or 6 millimeters. Okay, we can see this type of temporary fence is chain link temporary fence. It's most popular in American or New Zealand market. And the popular size of it, we can see the wire diameter is normally 2.3 or 3 millimeters, and the hole size normally is 50 by 50 millimeters or 60 by 60 millimeters. And it also is the round pipe. The round pipe normally is 32 millimeters and also can 48 millimeters and fit 60 millimeters. And the thickness normally is 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters. Then we simply introduce the product process of this fence. Firstly, we make the chain link fence like this, and cut the round pipe to our need size. Then we will weld the round pipe and binding the chain link fence and the round pipe together. And finally, we make the empty fit. And the size of this fence normally is 2.1 millimeters by 2.4 millimeters. We can see this also has the flatten. Okay, we can see the top. This is 150 millimeters, and the bottom also have like this 150 millimeters. It used fit in the plastic fit. And the surface treatment about it, we also have two kinds of. One is zinc spray after galvanized wire or pipe, and another is PVC coated. About the zinc coating, we have two levels. The normal zinc coating is 40 to 60 grams per square meters, and the high zinc coating is 200 grams per square meters. And the fit, we also have three kinds of. This is flow molding, and also have like this injection molding, and also have like this steel base. Okay, we have the plastic fit to fit the panels and in the bottom, and we also have like these clamps to fit the panel on the top. And the size of the clamp, we have two kind of like this. The distance of the hole is 75 millimeters, and this is larger than this. The distance is 100 millimeters. And the surface treatment all is hot dipped galvanized. The clamps all is suitable with the fit. We can see this. It also is 100 millimeters, and this is 75 millimeters. Okay, let me introduce the finally type of temporary fence. Like this is Canada temporary fence. It's very popular in Canada market. And we can see it includes the frame tube, the welded wire mesh, and there has a middle frame and the metal base. It's also like this clamps. We can see it's all the square pipe. It's different the American temporary fence and the Australia temporary fence. And the popular size about it, the wire diameter normally is 3 millimeters or 3.5 millimeters or 4 millimeters. And the frame tube normally is 25 by 25 millimeters, and the thickness normally is 1.5 millimeters. The middle frame normally is 20 by 20 millimeters, and the thickness normally is 1 millimeters. About the surface treatment, we have like these two types. This is zinc spray after galvanized wire or pipe, and this is PVC coated after galvanized wire or pipe. About the PVC coated, we have many colors. The popular colors is red, blue, yellow. If you have your own color requirement, we also can produce according your need, and it's no MRQ. And then let me introduce the product process about it. Firstly, we cut the wire mesh to our need size and welded them. Then cut the frame tube to our need size and welded them. Then welded the wire mesh and with the frame together. We can see these clamps. We can see the clamps. It's very special. It includes 3 square posts. We can see the three square posts. We also can produce. One is circle. We also can produce. One is circle post and one is square post. If this is a circle, we can turn the fence any degree. Okay, you can see the difference about before. This is no flat. So the packing it also packing in the pallet, and the clamps also packing in carton box. Okay, that's all. Today I introduce 3 types of temporary fence. Include Australia temporary fence, chain link temporary fence, and like this Canada temporary fence. And if you are interested in our product, you can send me a message, and we can give you professional advice. And if you're interested in our other products, you can link our website like this too. And you also can email us. This is our email address. Okay, thanks you are watching. I'm Eva from Gentfence. Our mainly product include temporary fence, chain link fence, triangle bending fence, high secret fence, crowd control barrier, and tubular fence. Okay, if you're interested in the fence products, you can follow our company, and follow our live show. Okay, bye bye.